Good evening. We're on Don Outdoor Adventures in the kitchen, getting ready to fry up some, saute some turkey strips that I got over here. Um, Getting ready to throw them in the skillet and have them with a salad. And there they are right there. There's the rest of the turkey meat that I cut up into big chunks, and we'll be making other stuff out of it. But yeah, that's it right there. But we're gonna be throwing it in the skillet here. Like I said, oh yeah, it's about to go down. And some small pieces here. Woo, sizzling, baby. Using olive oil. Yeah, we're gonna let that sear up really good. Then I'm gonna put some baby spinach and chop up some onions, and kind of smother it with it, and it should be pretty good. Then I'm gonna have that on the side with a salad, and it's gonna be time to throw down. So, like I said, we're gonna let that sizzle, and we'll be back once it gets looking real good. We're gonna come back to it. All right, we'll see you in a little bit on Don Outdoor Adventures.